Legos, and today we're gonna build it properly.
Yay!
So I'm gonna show you viewers how to build a Lego building instruction set properly. So let's get started. So these are Legos. If you don't know what Legos are, viewers, they're tiny bricks that you have to build. But if you have your own, you can make whatever you want. So let's get building. First, I think we should check what we need. You can even install this app. Try it by yourself if you want to. Now there's only one bag, and this is the first instruction thing we have to build. Where are the legs? Where are they? Oh, there they are. That's one character built. Now the second one. Oh. Now that's the second character built. Now we have to build the trophy stand, and it's already built. Comment below what do you rate, what do you give the trophy star? The trophy thing. I don't know what its real name is. Now we have to build the car base. If you don't remember how to build it, use your instruction booklet. Now we need to fix the steering wheel. Two orange pieces. Okay, that's strange.
Whoa!
Yeah. Blue piece. It's right here. Super. 1, 2. Where's the third one? 1. 8, 2. T. I'm showing you how to build the proper one if you don't know.
Whoa!
We're putting them all in. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3, and the last one. Go. Now we have to connect them. And bang, we're done with our first Lego car.
Yay!
Oh, videos about Fatik and Mommy. Bye! See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.